Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Around the World.
Resources are linked to power, and power is the lifeblood of politics. In the 21st century, this statement clearly reflects the changing perspective of global politics. In today's world, along with war and diplomacy, the availability of resources and their control play a crucial role. Particularly important minerals such as lithium, cobalt, and neodymium, which are used in everything from modern technological products to military equipment, now play a decisive role in determining global power equations. In this context, Ukraine's mineral reserves have now become not just an economic asset but a strategic asset. In fact, the mineral agreements between the US and Ukraine have made it clear that these resources have now become an important front in politics and military power, where global powers are competing to strengthen their position. In such a scenario, the question arises as to why leaders like Trump are focusing so much on Ukraine's minerals. And can these minerals play a crucial role in our future technological progress and military power? We will try to find the answers to these questions in this video. Let us first understand the current situation of Ukraine and the importance of its mineral resources. Geographical location is significant in global politics because it serves as a strategic link between Europe and Asia. Its geopolitical importance has become a major cause of the conflict between Russia and Western countries. Since Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014, tensions in the region have been continuously rising, and Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022 has further complicated the conflict. This crisis is not only affecting regional security but also having a deep impact on the global political and economic situation. In this context, Ukraine's mineral resources have started to have a significant impact on global politics. Especially countries like the United States are focusing on these minerals, which could be important for future technological progress and military capacity. Because Ukraine possesses a vast deposit of crucial minerals which are used in high-tech products such as smartphones, computers, electric car batteries, and modern military equipment. These minerals include lithium, tungsten, and other important metals. The global supply chain for these minerals is controlled by China, which has become a cause of concern for the US. The US believed that if it could gain control over Ukraine's mineral resources, it could strengthen its technological and military power against China. This is why the US is focusing on the supply of rare earth minerals in Ukraine, especially on those minerals which are used in electric cars, military equipment, and modern technologies. Over the past few decades, China has positioned itself as the largest player in the production and processing of these minerals. China controls approximately 60 to 70% of the global production of these minerals and 90% of the processing capacity. This has caused concern in the US administration, and that if China strengthens its control over these minerals, it could weaken its global competitiveness. The US feared that if China further controlled the supply of these minerals, it could weaken the US economy and military power. For this reason, the Trump administration made efforts to gain control over Ukraine's mineral resources. Recently, a significant agreement is being made between the US and Ukraine, in which both countries have agreed on the trade and management of important minerals. It is worth mentioning that some time ago, Ukrainian President Zelensky rejected the proposal for this mineral agreement, saying that he would not sell his country, but now he has agreed to it. In fact, this agreement could provide a new opportunity for Ukraine's economy and help the US strengthen its supply chain. This agreement will provide the US an opportunity to reduce its dependence on China and other countries, while Ukraine will receive economic aid and international support. For Ukraine, this agreement is not only important from an economic perspective, but could also strengthen its diplomatic relations. Mineral trade with the US gives Ukraine an opportunity to further strengthen its partnership with the European Union and NATO. Ukraine's mineral resources are playing an important role in global politics and the economy. The competition between the US and China to control these minerals has intensified, and it is likely to continue. Ukraine's role will remain crucial in this context, and it will be interesting to see which power succeeds in controlling these resources in the future. In today's time, when we talk about the Russia-Ukraine conflict, it is not only a military conflict but also includes the role of crucial minerals and their control. This conflict will affect global power equations in the future. The mineral agreement between the US and Ukraine shows that global politics is no longer solely dependent on military power or diplomacy, but the availability and control of resources also play a crucial role. This agreement holds the potential for a strategic victory for both countries, and in the future it may prove to be important not only economically but also geographically. The Trump administration believes that this agreement could be the first step towards a ceasefire in Ukraine's war with Russia. Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin has stated that he will not obstruct US access to Ukraine's minerals. Therefore, it is believed that this may accelerate efforts towards a ceasefire. So viewers, we will conclude the discussion here and note today's question. How significant is the mineral agreement between the US and Ukraine in the context of global power equations and resource wars? Comment.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.